Good day, fam. This is Tan back with another quick aesthetic mod on the 2021 Toyota Highlander. Today I am going to finish off some front end customization. Last week you saw me put on the black trim piece right here to cover up that wing. I think it looks nicely. I'll just give y'all a quick close-up. I know some of you were asking to show it again in better light. Hopefully that gives you more justice there. However, today I'm going to be installing these Lamin-X Protective film onto the fog lights. Now, for those that may not be familiar, these fog lights are one whole piece. The bulbs that are located inside are not removable. They are not plug and play. Like the third generation Highlanders. So if you were to remove this black piece out, you would actually see the whole entire circular fog light component. If that ever got hit by a rock or anything like that and cracked, you would actually have to replace the whole entire unit. It's not like you can just go through the back and take out some screws and then plug and play that bulb out. That is actually soldered into the unit itself. And the OEM product, I think, is like 120 bucks. So I decided to get this because 20 years ago I used to own a 1992 Acura Integra, and one of the things that I loved about that car back then, I swapped out the front headlights for the JDM one-piece headlights. And if anybody knows the G2 Integras for the Japanese market, the fog lights that you can actually turn on a yellow bulb for their fog lights. So not to say that this is going to give you any better visible lighting. However, what it will do is it will allow some more additional protection onto the glass itself, so that way if there's an impact from a rock from you driving on the highway, or over time, one thing that will happen is like sand or road salt can build up onto the actual lens itself and create that hazy effect. So having this on will give it that additional protection as well. You know, some people may say that it will reduce visible light output. That's debatable. If there is, from my perspective, it'll be very minimal. However, this is more for nostalgic purposes and to give it that additional protection as we put this on. So first step we're going to do is clean this off. I'm going to use my trusty Chemical Guys all-purpose cleaner. Squirt that down, use a microfiber towel, wipe it down, and then we'll just peel the backing off, apply it on, and if there's any bubbles or any creases, you can use like a blow dryer or a heat gun to get it a little bit more soft, so that way it's more malleable, and so that it can just cover the entire headlamp. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go ahead and spray this down. All right, Chemical Guys spray, squirt, squirt, and got my microfiber here, and just clean it. That dirt right there, get that grime off. Make sure it's dry. With this Lamin-X protection cover, you can apply it while it's wet, or you can apply it while it's dry. It can do both. So I will put a link in the description if this is something that you're interested in. And if you don't want the yellow color, they do have clear and many variety of different colors right there. It comes with these two pre-cut out vinyl pieces right here. There's a 5-year warranty. So I'm just looking at the angle of this cutout right here. So which one would fit best? Oops, dropped it. probably would go with this one since it has a little bit more tapered part right here. So I'll probably go in here like that. That'll be how I'm going to install it. Let's go ahead and remove the backing. And if you don't get the fit the first time, you can just peel it back off and then stick it back on. Let's see. There. What do y'all think? Side by side comparison. Uncovered. Covered. Oh man, that looks good. Gives me that JDM nostalgia 20 years ago. All right. Let's go ahead and complete the other side. I'm probably going to use some scissors and cut off this excess right here. And then once I install the other side, I'll turn the lights on. We'll see how that looks. Look at all that dirty grime. See it? Wee. Sparkly clean now. Peel the backing off. So the technique I found that's worked is put a little bowl bend like that. Just a little bit like this, so that way it doesn't stick automatically to the fog light. That'll help to get it in to where you want it to be. Push that in. Start with the fingers and just kind of push all the air bubbles out. I'll use this tool to really push it all out. All right, nice and quick. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. That's what they look like with the projector headlights on, and with the lower high intensity LED stock bulbs with the Lamin-X yellow film over it. That's it. Quick and easy, y'all. Alright, here's some bonus footage for you at night. Looking good, looking good. Yep, giving me those JDM vibes. Loving it. I wish I had a white wall that I could shine my headlights in front of. It would be a better demo, but you get what you get. But I did want to show you what the headlights look turned on, right? Stock headlights. And then this is what it looks like when I turn on the fogs. These are the high intensity LED bulbs that come stock with the platinum trim and most other trims on the 4th generation. But you can tell right there how far to the left the fogs reach and low that they go, especially on this side here. Look at that. Look how far it reaches on the right side. Let me turn those on and off here. Here's the center of my car. On and off. This definitely gives me JDM vibes. Reminds me of my Integra 20 years ago. Damn, I missed that car. Anyhow, just wanted to show you what it looks like. Peace.